Hello there, welcome to FX Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're going to analyze the market for the next Monday to Friday. There is a lot of conclusion going on the market, a lot of geopolitical issue going on the market, so we have to break down all of them. And let's start. Firstly, I'm gonna show you our last week signal, that means a sell entry. As you can see there, we just remark a question over here and again sell, and that almost gone around, let me check, there to there, 3125 to 3345. that means there is almost 300 pips movement. Okay, 300 pip movement from our entry. So let's remove all of them and let's start our analysis or our chart analysis or technical analysis properly. And as per our trading style, we want to share our analysis starting one weekly, then daily, then 4 hour, then 1 hour time frame to find our proper entry. Okay, so before that I'm going to show something that really need to know, that is Donald Trump are going to call Putin, Zelensky and NATO members to talk about the tariff. That means on Monday they want to talk, and maybe they will talk about the tariff, and there will be lot of pressure on Monday on gold market. So you have to be careful about those issues. So you have to keep your concern on that issue. What you can do, you can just visit forexfactory.com, and there you can see a lot of conclusion, a lot of news about Donald Trump and Zelensky. Okay, so let's get back our chart analysis. And as you can see there, here in our Telegram we are sharing a lot of information, and there is our last week premium result. So you may visit our Telegram channel, video link in the video description box below. So let's start our analysis. So I want to start firstly from the weekly time frame. Okay, so as you can see there, for long term weekly time frame or weekly market is strong bullish from the long time. Okay, and from the last few weeks market is trying to create a pattern around that area, that particular area, and it's just trying to go down, that means go bearish, but it's unable to go bearish. There is a lot of buying pressure in this particular area, so we have to keep our concern on buy, or if you want to sell, that means short sell, so we can do that. So let's redo all of them, and let's get back into daily time frame. If we want to see a last week movement, that means there was a selling pressure on last week. That means market just trying to take a little bit correction from previous all-time high, and as you can see there, it just broke our support level. That means this support level become a resistance level. Okay, so let's get back into H4 time frame. So if you want to start from H4, so we can easily find out the weekly direction of the market. So let's start from H4. So we want to analyze, or we want to start our analyzing from the H4 time frame. Okay, if I want to draw a trend line on this particular area, as you can see there is a sharp trend line, and market just following this trend line or this particular area. So here is another trend line in this particular area. Okay, and as you can see there, most probably market is going to buy for H4 time frame. As you can see there, in that particular area, it just given a breakout, then again touch our support trend line, again trying to go up, again touch our support trend line, again go up, again go down, and again touch our support trend line, and it just trying to go up. Okay, or it may go down till that area, and again it can fly up. So let's make a proper analysis to understand the market movement or market pattern. So if I want to take a proper entry or proper entry zone, so we have to go H1 time frame. Okay, so as per the H1 time frame, if I zoom in little bit more, as you can see there, if I want to draw one more trend line in this particular area, okay, and another trend line from this particular area, and if I want to remove all of them, that means all of previous data or all of previous structure. So as you can see there is already a breakout zone on this particular area, and as per our trend line breakout strategy, it just go up and give us a pullback. That means here is a double confirmation to go buy. So it may go buy, or there is a strong confirmation to go buy. So what you can do, so if I want to draw support or resistance zone, as you consider, there is a strong candle confirmation to go, or candle confirmation to break out, or let me remove the previous drawing. Okay, let's remove all of them. And as you can see, there is a resistance area, particular resistance area from our support zone. As you can see, there is a lot of time it just respected this support or resistance area, so it may going to respect that again. Okay, and our next resistance area is 3274. So what we can do for now, okay, that was our particular buy zone or buy area, and we took full advantage from last Friday from this particular area. And if you want to ask me, Mr. Boom, what we need to do for now, or what we are going to do right now, so we have to wait. As far there is a strong resistance area, so we have to wait till this H4 particular area, then we can take a buy entry till 3274 zone. Okay, let me draw it. If you want to draw that particular barrier, so we have to wait till 3113 zone. Okay, let's make it a little bit rectangular. Okay, as you can see there, this particular area is our, this is our buy area. Okay, particular buy area. So you may take buy entry around that area, and you, as per our 1:3 risk reward ratio, 1:3 risk reward ratio, you may take the buy entry around that area, and there is 30% what SL, and 90% is our TP area. So I hope you understand whole thing. And if you want to stay update, or if you want to keep update about the market trends, about the news, about the geopolitical issue, you may join our public Telegram channel. We are sharing a lot of analysis entry on this channel each and every day. So video description, you can find out our channel link on video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.
Started with a drink and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned. Signals roll